Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Install Android Studio and ensure the Android SDK and SDK Manager are ready. Enable CPU virtualization in BIOS because emulators need hardware acceleration for speed. Once done, open AVD Manager and choose a device profile, then select a Google Play System image for the Android API you want. This gives you Play Store access and app compatibility. Make sure disk space is available and that you pick a x86/x64 image for optimal performance. You now create the AVD, pick a device profile and the downloaded Google Play image, then name it clearly. Configure memory and VM heap to match your PC. Too little RAM makes apps sluggish, too much starves the host. Set graphics to automatic or hardware glaz for smoother rendering and choose a boot option, cold boot for clean state or quick boot for faster startup. Once configured, save and launch the emulator to begin Play Store setup and sign in with your Google account. You're at the finish line. Sign into the Play Store and install apps like on a phone. This lets you test behavior under a real Play Services environment. If an APK won't install, use a DB install from your SDK platform tools. This bypasses Play restrictions for testing. If the emulator freezes, restart it or wipe AVD data to reset corrupt states. One key troubleshooting tip: if performance lags, confirm hypervisor/acceleration drivers are enabled and update graphics drivers on the host to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.